All right, guys, it finally arrived. For all of you HPC fans who've been driving me crazy to get a hold of this thing, this is the Stealth Pick Kit, 35 pieces. Just got it from lockpicks.com. Let's bust it open and see what kind of magic this box has inside. All right, we have waited long enough. Let me cut these guys open and see what we got. This, by the way, is $71. That's cool. $71.16. And these are all falling out of the bottom here. Man, that is a lot of pigs. And a leather carrier. Doesn't feel like there's anything in this. We'll just load this bad boy up ourselves. All right. It's kind of mixed up. Let me sort it out, and then we'll take a closer look. Well, I've got to say, this is not quite what I expected when I saw a 35-piece pick set. I kind of expected 35 different tools, and we don't get that at all. There's a lot of duplicates, and there's so many duplicates on this kit, in fact, that I suspect it's more of a pick replacement pack. If you're a locksmith and you're looking to buy kind of in bulk at a discount price, this is probably what this kit is intended for. Or if you belong to a lock-picking group of guys, if 2 or 3 of you want a basic pick set, you can all pitch in 1/3 of that $71 and then divide things up. That's my impression in looking at this thing. Let's take a look, though. All of the black picks, the stealth picks that you see, are all, of course, jet black. They all have aluminum handles that are riveted in place, and they are spring steel. The silver ones that you see down here are all extractors. They are all stainless steel, both the extractor tool and the handles also riveted in place. And we'll take a look at the tensioners in just a moment. All right, let's take a look at this. You get a total of 5 hooks, but 3 of them are short hooks. Again, spring steel. They are all going to require a little bit of finishing. They're not too bad. They've definitely been tumbled. I couldn't find any sharp edges. I did play with a few of them for a few minutes. I didn't find any sharp edges on them, but you probably will want to put a little bit of work into smoothing out the part that goes into the keyway. So 3 short hooks, and then you get 2 of these postal hooks. Same style construction, same finish. So if I were to keep this kit, I would turn one of my postal hooks into a medium hook, and then probably sand down the other postal hook to a deep hook. I don't often get a use for a postal hook. And then you get 5 of these guys. This is a snake, standard snake. So it's very common to use these and also very common to break them, but 5 just seems to be a little bit excessive, particularly when you got 3 of these guys, 3 more snakes, a little bit different, slightly different frequency between the humps, and the main hump there is a little bit higher than on the standard snake. And then lastly, a snake with a little slightly smaller profile. So while, yeah, we do get 10 rakes, they're all snake rakes. Moving over here to this side, we have what I call the ball family. So we get 3 half balls. We get 2 snowmen, so a total of 5 ball rakes, and then a total of 5 diamond rakes, but these are all half diamond, and they are all the small. Again, a very frequently used pick, both for raking and SPPing, but again, 5 seems a little bit excessive for one kit, but if I was buying this as a locksmith, I was buying it to replace all of my roving locksmiths kits, keep their kits completely populated. This might be a great kit to buy. And then, of course, move down here. Again, all stainless steel. These are all extractors, and I have 3 identical single extractors. And these are all in great shape. Super sharp, very narrow shaft. And then the same style, except we get the double barbs. When we move down, and this is where it gets a little bit odder. I guess locksmiths don't often lose their tensioners, but we get 2 of these little guys, so they could be used potentially for top of the keyway, spring steel. We get 2 medium ones, slightly different width on both ends. And then you get a single, very long, very flexy tensioner. So for $71.16, if you're looking to populate your replacement pick set, this is probably a great choice. Or if 2 or 3 of you want to get a basic kit, each of you kicking a third, this would be a good choice. You're only going to get one case, and you're only going to get one of those long tensioners. All right, how would I make this better? Well, the first thing, I would look at these rakes, all snake rakes. I would say, well, I would expect to see a Bogota. So I'm going to pitch in a couple of Bogotas. I'm going to pitch in a worm and a standard Bogota. That'll go into the family. I'm also going to pitch in, even though these look like they could be used for top of the keyway, they're not a dedicated top of the keyway tensioning set. So I'm going to throw in a couple of those. I'm going to throw in a couple of the heavy bars and a complete set of the flat 5, all different widths and thicknesses. So I think that'll plus up this kit quite a bit. That's kind of how I would like to see it, minus a few of these duplicates. I would set these duplicates off in a drawer, use them until they broke, and then I have something to replace them with. Anyway, guys, there you go. That will be the giveaway, along with, I got 3 more things that were donated by LearnLockPicking.com. So they sent me an ultimate challenge lock to give away. And again, I know a lot of you guys have seen these, but some of you newbies have not. I'll be giving this away with everything that you've seen so far. Inside of this kit, great training lock. You get a set of replacement pins. You get, if you want to pin it up to the key, the pins are in there with all the plugs to plug up the top of these threaded chambers. So 6 pinner, all threaded. Pin them up progressively, 1 through 6. And then as you get better, populate more and more of them. Nice little keyway on this guy. Not bad. Oops. Not bad. Just very slightly paracentric, but for a beginner, these are absolutely great tools. They donated these, so guys, they've shown us a lot of love. Let's show them a little love back. If you're looking to buy a training lock, please take a look at these guys. That's the least we can do for them. They've also thrown in a pair of pinning tweezers. And if you can't get the lock open, a complete set of shims. Always handy. All from LearnLockPicking.com. Anyway, guys, the basic kit that you saw, the Stealth Kit, $71.16. I got that from Lockpicks.com, and I will put the links for all this stuff down there in the description. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. Oh, yeah, you guys want to win it, right? Put this up here. Go right there to that website. In the middle of the page, there's a purple band that says Weekend Giveaway. Click on that, register, and with a little bit of luck, you will get this big pile of stuff next Saturday. Thanks, guys. If you like the idea of growing the Lock Sport community, please consider supporting the Lock Lab by either becoming a Patreon or clicking the join button below.